Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're looking at this portable kettle. I've been using this thing for a couple weeks, so I just wanted to show it to you and tell you everything that I love about it. First thing is that it just has a really nice sleek look and it's really good for travel. It comes with a nice case that you can put it in and also has enough space to store in the power cord that it comes with, and it's good to take anywhere in the world. The computer inside here has like a voltage control, so even though it comes with the US plug that you plug into the back here, it will automatically adjust to the voltage of anywhere in the world. So you have 120 or 110 volt in the US. You go to like Europe, it has different voltages, like the 220 I think is what they have. As long as you have an adapter, you can plug this thing in and this will automatically adjust for that, so you don't have to worry about hurting it there. The other thing that I really love is that it has a ton of different settings. What I think it cycles through, I think 6 different settings. So it has green tea, black tea, coffee, oatmeal. I don't remember all of the settings, but you can do pretty much anything you want with it. So it's really cool that I'm able to use it in the kitchen. I think it only takes a few minutes to heat up the water. But one of the other things that I thought was really cool is that I took it with me out in the truck the other day, and I was driving and my wife decided to make some tea. So I actually took this thing out and took the plug and plugged it into our truck because we have a typical US plug in the back of our truck. So she plugged it in and it heated up in the same amount of time. So whether you're in the kitchen or in a hotel or wherever you're at or in your car, you have access to hot water that you can use to make tea or coffee or whatever you need while you're out driving. The only thing that I would say about it is that it's small, so it holds about 15 to 16 ounces of water. So if you are counting on using it for like a whole family, you're gonna have to warm it up a couple of times. For us, that's not really a problem. We can pour it in, make a couple cups of whatever tea we like, and if you want to make some more, you can do that, no problem. And then it also has this really cool flow control at the top, so the water or tea, whatever liquid you have in it, pours out really slow and controlled, so you're not going to make a mess all over the place. And then it has a little carrying handle on top of it here that makes it convenient. Again, guys, this is just a really cool kettle. It works really good and I'm really happy to have it, and I would recommend it for anybody that's traveling or just likes to have hot beverages that you don't want to have to pay at cafe prices for all the time. So good for on the go, and definitely recommend it for anybody who's moving around a lot.